Stop right there. If you were about to buy a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, put your credit card down, just for a moment. Because new leaks suggest the Osmo Pocket 4 is finally happening, and DJI may reveal it on the 29th, alongside other major gear. Over the past few weeks, multiple leaks have surfaced, including what appears to be final retail packaging for the Osmo Pocket 4. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, the box design matches DJI's finished products almost perfectly, which strongly suggests a launch is very close. Possibly days, not months away. At first glance, the Pocket 4 looks similar to the Pocket 3, and that's a good thing. That design was nearly perfect. But there are two major physical changes. First, a dedicated zoom button near the screen. Second, a new custom C button. This is huge for usability. No more digging through touch menus mid-shot. You'll likely be able to instantly switch gimbal modes, lock tracking, or jump straight into vertical video or time-lapse. This makes it feel like a real pro tool, not just a gadget. Internally, the Pocket 4 is rumored to keep a 1-inch CMOS sensor, but with a significantly upgraded version. The biggest headline? 4K at 120 frames per second in standard video mode, not just slow motion. That's a massive leap over the Pocket 3 and a dream for cinematic creators. The screen is also expected to be brighter and smoother, making outdoor shooting much easier. Battery life is another big upgrade. The Pocket 3 lasts about 166 minutes. Leaks suggest the Pocket 4 could push past 200 minutes of recording. Stabilization is getting a Gimbal 4.0 upgrade, plus faster and smarter AI subject tracking, especially useful for solo vloggers and action shots. And it's not just the Pocket 4. DJI is also expected to showcase the RS5 gimbal, with advanced AI tracking for people, vehicles, and pets, plus remote control support for solo filmmakers. This could be a big ecosystem update, not a single product drop. So here's the advice. If you need a camera right now, the Pocket 3 is still incredible, especially at current sale prices. But if you can wait a few weeks, you absolutely should. Even if you don't buy the Pocket 4, the Pocket 3 will likely get cheaper. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't a redesign, it's a refinement that power users will love. So tell me, are you waiting for the Pocket 4, or grabbing the Pocket 3 on sale? Drop a comment, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell. DJI's next move is about to change compact cameras again.